Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto, the ultimate tool for seeing if Bitcoin will crash or not, and of course, what you can do in order to save yourself from a possible crash. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Get benefits from bearish and bullish markets with shorting and long positions. You will also get 200 altcoins to trade through an automated system to trade, so you can know when to buy and when to sell. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, everyday educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's jump into Bitcoin chart. And this tool is nothing else than the Gann fan. If you want to find out how to draw properly the Gann fan, check out the video that we have on this video right on your screen. Okay, so I have a tutorial on how to properly draw a Gann fan tool. So what is the Gann fan tool right here? It serves as support and resistance lines that include the time, while the Fibonacci retracement gives us support and resistance levels that do not include the time. Therefore, right now what we want to see here is that I have squared the chart from 20 July back to this top on 10 November, and I had some important resistance and support levels. And you can see what is happening. Right now, what did happen is we found resistance level on the 3-1 Gann fan line. This line right here is the 3-1 Gann fan line. Okay, 3 units of price per 1 unit of time. So what we have right now is that we found resistance second time. This was an indication that we're probably going to see something not good, okay, especially if the second day was a bearish day. So you can see that here we had a red day. We were supposed actually to have a bullish day so we could break out, but we had a red day. So right now, what is going on with Bitcoin and what is the most probable scenario? If we cannot actually get above the 4-1 line, this is the 4-1 line, you can see now that we lost the 41.1k as support level that we were talking about. Okay, so our most important level of support was the 41.1k to 40k. To 41, sorry. We lost it, and now if this line, the blue line, at around 41.1 to 41k is our resistance level. So let's say that today we find resistance and we cannot go higher than this line right here, then we are possibly going to expect another correction, another coming correction towards the more downside levels. And unfortunately, this would be the 35,000 USD and so on. Okay, the last 8-1 support level Gann fan line. So if we get rejected from 41,000 USD, then we are possibly be getting further down into lower support levels. Okay, so definitely this is something that you should be keeping on. You can short the positions, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so we have this scenario going on that if we get rejected from the 41.1k to 41k, then we are going further down. But Bill, you told us we can protect actually ourselves. How can we do that? Is there anything we can do so we can actually reassure that we are not losing? So what is your best option on a bearish market? It's either to short positions, okay, so you can sort it out. There are some platforms that have sorting trading available, okay, or to go to altcoins against Bitcoin chart. And what I want to tell you is, basically, why do you want to go into altcoins against Bitcoin chart? Because if you go to altcoins against Bitcoin chart, then what you are going to see is that the altcoins are in an oversold situation, or either they have formed a bullish RSI divergence. I am on BCH against Bitcoin chart. You can see that we had an extreme oversold. We expect the RSI to go above the 70. Okay, if I go to the SUSI against Bitcoin chart right here, then you can see that we had an oversold situation again with the SUSI against Bitcoin chart, bullish RSI divergence on the weekly frame as well. Okay, lower lows and higher lows. So right here, you can see that you can get saved by converting your Bitcoin into an altcoin, okay? Because right now, what is going to happen is that the charts against Bitcoin, for example, SUSI against Bitcoin, many altcoins against Bitcoin have an extreme oversold, and therefore they are most likely to pump and to get even higher. That's how you can save yourself and convert so you won't be losing. So for example, you can see SUSI against Bitcoin chart is on a green day, while SUSI against USDT, okay, we go here, it is on a small green day, but yesterday, okay, you can see that it was on a red day. And if we go yesterday on SUSI against Bitcoin chart, then you can see that it was on a small red day. All right, so you didn't lose as much. It was minus 0.71% right here, while on SUSI against USDT, all right, if I go again back, you can see that it was on a minus 8%. This is what you get when Bitcoin is unstable. You're getting the chance that you see Bitcoin, you're getting the chance actually not to lose so much money, especially when the charts are in an oversold situation. And at some point, you will see that if Bitcoin drops further down, and let's say that funds resistance on the 41K and drops further down, you will see that at some point, SUSI might be going a little bit further down against USDT, while SUSI against Bitcoin chart will surely be going higher and higher, okay, eventually breaking target after target. So that's what I'm saying right here, and that's why I am insisting sometimes on following the altcoins against Bitcoin trend. I know it sounds a little bit confusing to you, but always keep that in your mind. Whenever Bitcoin is in an impulsive wave, it doesn't worth you invest on altcoins against Bitcoin. It does worth to invest on altcoins against USDT because they will go more into a percentage upwards. But when Bitcoin is correcting or crashing down, it was investing more onto altcoins against Bitcoin chart. You won't be losing so much, and if they are in an oversold situation, you keep yourself away from the risk that you have from Bitcoin to drop more down, to have a crash, and therefore to go even further down. At the end of the day, we always talked about that this run wasn't like July's and October's. You should be careful. Do not listen to some very bullish guys that tells you that this is a flat running pattern for sure. We are going to the 69K for sure, or some very bearish people that say that we are going to the 14K Bitcoin. All right, do not listen to them, but always follow the strict maths behind the trading analysis, and always follow what you see and not what you want to see. Okay, do not follow your biased instincts, follow what you just see on the chart, and therefore you will be succeeding into trading. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.